up in Evergreen, so kind of close to that first property that I shared with you that looks like a spaceship, the sleeper house. But this number 5 house is going to be known as Chateau number 5. And this is a very unique style home. It looks like a Palace of Versailles, and it's been listed for as much as $60 million. Yeah, you heard me right, $60 million. It's 21,692 square feet, and it sits on over 35 acres on the top of just this incredible plot of land with 360-degree views of the mountains, tons of open space, and just some incredible views. One unique thing about this property, and rather than even calling it a house, I'm calling it a chateau, it has over 120 very palatial chandeliers throughout the home, some really gothic architectural elements scattered throughout, and definitely the ultimate when it comes to luxury and just opulence. The craziest part, though, in my opinion, about this house, it was actually sold only a few years back in 2021 as more of an unfinished shell. It hadn't been completely finished at the time, but it sold for only $9.5 million. And I know that sounds crazy to say only $9.5 million, but when you're comparing that with the current listing price in 2025 of $60 million, I don't know, that seems like a pretty big difference in price. As I said, this is nestled in the hills of Evergreen, so it's about a 35 to 40-minute drive west of downtown Denver, and I think still one of the coolest homes and definitely the most unique in all of Denver, mainly just due to its high price point and it's just such a unique style of home, literally being a castle on top of the mountain.